Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model, Jennifer TF8 in color code 199. It's a shiny black gunmetal color frame. There's a Tom Ford logo engraved on the top left lens. On temples it has a gunmetal design, as well as a Tom Ford logo on the tip of the temples for both sides. This frame is made in Italy, and on the back over here it says that. And this is the serial number. The lenses are a dark gray color. Up here, we have a Tom Ford gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.